Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm at Bow Channel in the Florida Keys. It's right before you get to Key West. It's right between Cudjoe Key and Sugarloaf Key. Now in this video I've kind of finally figured out what these fish are. The black ones with the yellow, black and yellow fins, and the blue and yellow stripes. Those are blue-striped grunts. And with those are mixed in with some mangrove snapper and some porkfish and some other fish. But the blue-striped grunts are pretty common in the Florida Keys, but not so much up in the Tampa Bay area where I live at. So I hope you enjoy these videos. If you do, please do me a favor and hit the like button down below. And if you'd like to see more, please hit the subscribe button. That'll help my channel out a lot. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the video and look forward to seeing you back next time. Take care.